I'm Steve Hurt. I'm here for a frozen shoulder that I've been dealing with for about 2 years. It's been an issue. I'm a school teacher, so writing on the board became difficult as I couldn't raise my arm up high enough to write on the board. My wife was a patient here with Francis, and through her conversation with him, he told her that I could come in without a referral and he could check things out. I've come a long way. I can put my shirt on normal, like a normal person. I can put my belt on like a normal person, and I wasn't able to do that. I'm able to reach things out of cupboards. I can write on the board like normal, and so it's been a good process. It's been painful at times, but it's been good pain, and I'm real happy about progress we've made, and real glad to have come here. My favorite part about it is the relationship. It's been a relationship building time. These people are caring. They invest time in me. They worked on me, they worked with me, and they helped me along the way to progress to where I am today. When I'm here, I feel like I'm the only person that they're with, and I like that process.